Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have a second part of unboxing of DIY Choose. DIY Choose is a budget-friendly company that sells not only cross stitch, but it sells paint by numbers and DIY craft. They customize and they have a big sales, you know. They have a 12.12 sale. Buy 4 get 1 free, buy 8 get 2 free, buy 12 get 3 free, buy 16 get 4 free. Spend $40 and instantly save 12% off with the discount code DC12. Okay, so go ahead and run over there. They have paint by numbers too. They have other craft, DIY diamond painting craft. So go and spend some money on some gift. Okay, they have for home decor, which you can buy, and then with the percentage, I mean, usually it's taking about 2 weeks. They're pretty good at shipping. So today we have only 2 Joy Sunday. This one is called Afternoon Tea 1. Okay, this one I'm gonna tell you right away because I want to get it out of here because of the glare. Okay, this one is a 14 count. Okay, pre-stamp. It's a 46 by 36. And look at those pretty flowers. It's called Afternoon Tea 1. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This one has 6 frames. Well, actually 3 full and 3 half. Okay, so let's see. Page 1. Here are the flower. We have some back stitching over here. This is, sorry for the glare, but it's the paper. Page 1, page 2, the short. I'm assuming that this is page 3. Page 4. And on page 5 we have 52 full stitch, but in total is 54 colors. 52 full stitch, 3 half stitch, 2 French knots, and 5 back stitch. Okay, that's on page 5. This is page 6. Beautiful cup in blue. So that's good that they have the frame on it for a 46 by 36. So let's take a look at the fabric. Fabric a little stiff. Okay, it has the name of the cross stitch, the product code, product number is search all around, so it won't fray while you're stitching. It's 210 stitch wide by 159 high. It's a partial. Okay, meaning you don't stitch the background. Okay, it has a lot of confetti. It has some patches of blocking. Here is the codes, the symbols that you should go by in the fabric along with the DMC code. Don't ask me what it says down there. Okay, you have all the symbols of everything that you need on the sides and at the bottom. Okay. So here it is, pretty colors. Although these are not the colors of the thread necessarily. And look at the symbols. There is no smudging. No smudging. And no confusion. Thank you, DIY Choose, for these beautiful canvases. Okay, let's take a look at the goodies. Even though it's a big one, it doesn't have that many strands though. It's not thick like other times. Here it is. Beautiful, beautiful. And look at these blues. Beautiful, beautiful. And here is the rest. Got yellows for the flower over there. Here it is. And here it is. Here it is, the Mickey's on the house. Okay. Beautiful. The yellows are for the flower, the orange and yellows. Has to have green for the leaves. Okay. So we got this one out. This is a pretty one. I like the blues in there. Put this close to me so it'll be easier. Put it on the side, and then the last one, but not the least one, is called Flowers Villa. It's 67 by 48, 14 count, 2 strands. Let me get it out of the package. So it will be better to watch it, to see it. Let me put it separately. Here it is. Beautiful. I like the idea that they gave you idea for framing and the mat to use inside. Look at how beautiful it is. Should be have a lot of confetti though. It says 67 by 48, so it's a pretty big one. It has 8 frames. 3 of them are full. 3 of them are like about 3/4, and 2 of them are half. Here they are. It's 327 stitches wide by 219 high. So let's see. Page 1, we got some back stitching, but there is none in the house, just on the trees. Okay. Page 3 and 4, and this one has 60 full stitch and 2 back stitch. Okay, 60 full stitch and 2 back stitch. Doesn't have that many. It's a miracle don't have French knots. And the last page with the flowers, a lot of confetti in the flowers. This is a beautiful one. Let's see, look at all these goodies. Gonna see them later. Here it is, Flowers Villa. Product code, product number, and the name. And he search all around so it won't fray while you're stitching. A lot of confetti. Okay, it's a partial. Okay. You stitch like a frame. That's practically the only blocking area, and the patches over here and some patches on the tree, but the rest is confetti party, but nothing that you cannot work on it though. The fabric is a little stiff. The symbols are on the fabric and they are very clear with the DMC code. $60 colors with a 2 back stitch, and in the fabric there is no smudging. There is the symbols are not confusing. Let's take a look at the part of the confettis. Let's take a look at this side. So we have some red with some orange, but the orange is obvious for me unless you are colorblind. There's a lot of confetti, but it's not that bad. I don't think it's that bad. It's a beautiful one. So let's take a look at the goodies. We got the 2 needles. Okay. A hallmark of Joy Sunday. Here are the colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors, like a spring-like. Over here we have a little bit more of like a beautiful blue and some green, because there is green in there. Here is more green. I like this one. like a seafoam green. Did I? Oh no, I didn't show you this one. Oh yeah, I did. I did show you this one. Oh, you're gonna see them now. Here they are. All together, together forever. The green ones with the colors for the flowers. Beautiful. Okay. So folks, this is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for having me. Thank you for subscribing. Be safe during the Christmas time. Okay? Don't spend too much. But run over there. These are good things, good gift for people who like cross stitching. Okay? These are so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. Welcome to all new subscribers and new viewers. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I have all the playlists in there with other craft, PBN, paint by numbers, diamond painting, paper tool, DIY mini houses, anything. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby and be safe during the Christmas time. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.